I tried to use whatever I could.
Yeah, using cards and stuff doesn't always work.
I don't know if it's broken or what, but I think they put the lock on the wrong door and she shouldn't have one on hers.
Alright, that's picked. That should have opened it. Sorry, I'm still half asleep.
I am too.
Okay, so the door was unlocked. It's just not.
Yeah, it seemed like it was unlocked, but it wouldn't turn. Like the knob wouldn't turn to open.
Yeah, let me see what I can do. Ooh, that's tight.
I think the contractors put the doors on wrong.
Believe they did.
They did, huh?
Yeah. Hey, Yuri, if you're next to the door, stand back, alright? It might pop open, I don't want it to hit you. I might scratch the paint up a little bit right here, so.
It's fine. I'm more concerned about hers. Oh, we got it on my plate.
Okay.
There we go. Yuri. Hey.
Hi,
Thank you so
Yuri.
much. You okay?
I'm sorry I scared you.
Say thank you.
If it makes you feel any better, I scared myself a little bit.
Blood.